We've dropped in to see Steve from Maylan Engineering in Corby. Fantastic machine shop. I won't go through the list of machines because it is an impressive list. Milling, turning, both fixed and sliding head turning, mill turn machine. Anyway, I said I won't go through a list. So what I want to do though first though is ask, you manufacture the Maylan Pallet Master. So those who don't know, what is it?
Manual pallet changer, fits on VMCs, other machines, and it's to speed up the process and improve productivity.
Easy for you to say, he's been practicing that for ages, but fast, accurate, reliable essentially.
Yeah. Let's just keep that spindle turning.
Oh, there you go. Keep those spindles turning like on Swarf and Chips, absolutely. But as I said, I don't want to go through a list of all your machines. I think we should showcase components that you're manufacturing, and we've got a nice example here. So first of all, what's going on with this?
That's just a flywheel that goes on a Ford engine, gets fitted into a Lotus. We just had a customer come in and wanted us to make some flywheels for him, so we made some. Turned on the Puma, milled on the Haas. It's got all timing castellations and everything else, and it's just your basic flywheel that your engine turns and your clutch is attached to.
Okay, you make it sound simple, but tight tolerances, extremely flat.
Yeah, everything really tight. All the timing castellations matter a lot, and the flatness for the clutch really counts. So.
Okay. Fantastic example. Now, next one, again, is this for a Lotus, should I ask?
It is for a Lotus, yes.
So what have you been doing with this?
The customer came again, wanted us to make some spare parts, so we don't officially know what they're called, but they link two of the inlet manifolds together. We made the spindles and all the connectors and everything else, so
okay.
it's quite a good
And that
part.
goes in this whole assembly here, which is exhaust manifold, did you say?
Inlet manifold.
Right. Sorry, so the other end.
Yeah, that's it.
Now, that's a nice example there. Now, if I said to you, huge shafts, you do some Puma, what are you doing on that?
We do quite a bit of shaft work for oil industry and other industries, 2 metres long plus. Anything, the standard ones we do about 4-inch diameter, but we can go up to sort of 400, 500 mil diameter.
So some big, I mean, the component you've got in there at the moment in steel is about 2 metres long, is that correct?
I would imagine so, one of the, yeah.
You can go a lot longer.
Yeah, we can go through the spindle, it's got a big bore on the spindle as well.
Right. And tolerances, 15 microns?
Yeah, we're holding 15 microns on bearing fits and some seal fits. We're putting 0.4 surface finish on.
Showing off there, Steve, on those sort of parts. Very impressive. Now, last but not least, I mean, you've got a whole selection of parts, but this part here, now this is a critical hydraulic component, and we were talking to one of your engineers, Brendan, yeah, I've got to get his name right. He was busy working away. When we got talking about this part, we couldn't shut him up for about half an hour. Well, talk us through it. It's, like I said, a critical hydraulic part. So
yeah, it doesn't look a lot. It's a hydraulic cartridge. It has a piston that we make here as well that's ground. It's very tied up. It's got a 15 micron limit again on the bores of this, and it's got a 0.4 surface finish on this as well.
So hopefully, just to showcase down the bore there, if we can go back to that, down there. Essentially, you say 0.4, like a mirror finish almost.
A mirror finish, yeah. And
that's all machined on your Nakamura WT100?
Yeah, and it comes off complete, so it goes in as a full length bar, and it gets all the externals, the internals from both ends, all done. It comes off complete. So cross holes, everything.
There you go, absolutely everything. So basically, I'm thinking Maylan Engineering, not only the Pallet Master, but any challenge.
Yeah, bring it on.
Yeah.
Ring us apart, give me a drawing, I'll make it for you.
There you go, Steve, make it sound very simple. Maylan Engineering in Corby, any part, Steve's the man for you.